College of Pharmacy, Amravati, and currently pursuing PhD from School of Pharmacy, Jaipur National University, Rajasthan. Sir is having 7 years of experience in industry as FDA approved QC officer at High-Tech Pharma, Akola, Maharashtra. A total 7 years of experience in academics from reputed pharmacy colleges, like 3 years of experience in Sinhagad College of Pharmacy, Pune, 1 year of experience in Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Pune, and working from last 3 years in P.R. Pote Patil College of Pharmacy, Amravati. Sir had published 6 papers in various national and international journals with over 50 citations and has presented 2 posters in various conferences. So, with this short introduction, I would like to request Pankaj Chaudhary sir to please impart your valuable knowledge to us. Please, sir.
Okay, thank you, Thakur sir, for such a nice introduction. And good morning to all of you. I requested to all the participants to please mute your mic. Good morning. To mute your mic and mute also your video. So our topic of today's seminar is career opportunity after completion of DPharm, that is Diploma of Pharmacy. Directly going. Please mute your mic.
I would request participants of this webinar to mute their mic. Please mute their mic.
Before directly going to the topic, we just
please mute your mic.
Okay. So once again, good morning to all of you. Our topic of today's webinar is the career opportunity after the DPharm, that is Diploma in Pharmacy. Before directly going to our topic, we just shortly discuss about what is the meaning of pharmacy, what is the meaning of Diploma Pharmacy. So after the completion of 12th, you can get a direct admission to the course of basic course of pharmacy. So pharmacy, it is the health science that link medical science with chemistry, and it is charged with the discovery, production, control, disposal, safe and effective use of pharmacy. And for the practice of pharmacy, we require the excellent knowledge of drug, their mechanism of action, side effect, interaction, mobility, and toxicity. At the same time, is required the knowledge of treatment and understanding the pathological process. This is about general discussion of pharmacy. After completion of 12th, you can go for the diploma in pharmacy. There is no any entrance exam. Only you have to pass the 12th with PCM or PCB. The 2-year diploma course with annual pattern by the PCI, and in pharmacy, it is the examination body is the MSBT, Maharashtra State Pharmacy, Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, MSBT. So DPharm course is the career-oriented program in the medical field of pharmaceutical science designed to familiarize the candidate with the basic concept of pharmaceutical science. It is a starting of the basic course in the pharmacy, which the subject of this purpose of DPharm is to inbuild the necessary skill and academic knowledge required for the entry position in retail pharmacy as well as pharmaceutical companies. So it is the 2-year diploma course after completion of 12th. So now we come for our today's webinar topic, the opportunity after the completion of DPharm. So there is 3 options after completion of 2-year diploma course. You have to first registered in the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council, then you can get the certificate. So after completion of DPharm, there is a 3 options. First is the higher study DPharm. It is a degree course, 4-year degree course with a semester pattern. Then MPharm and then PhD. We discuss all this point once detail in afterward. Just look the this diagram. Then second option is the self-employment. After registration in the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council, you can open your own pharmacy, that is retail shop, wholesale for, or your super stockist. These are your own pharmacy, the self-employment. Or you can also open your manufacturing unit by withdrawing the license of manufacturing from the FDA. FDA means Drug and Food and Drug Administration. Food and Drug Administration, it is the licensing authority and control the manufacturing and distribution and sale of the drug and cosmetic. After issuing the license, you can open your manufacture unit for manufacturing of Schedule O, then repacking unit or manufacturing of cosmetic. This is the second option in the self-employment. Then the third option is the employment. That is, if you have not sufficient investment, then you can work in various departments. In that, there is a college, industry, shop, field, and hospital. In college, after completion of D.Pharm, you can work as a lab assistant, lab technician. In industry, it is the entry-level job for the pharma industry as a operator. Then you can work at a shop as a registered pharmacist. Then you can work as a medical representative, that is MR. Or you can also work in a hospital as a hospital pharmacist or store manager. So this is the general about the opportunity after the D.Pharm. Now we discuss one by one in detail. First is the higher study. Higher study, the Bachelor of Pharmacy degree, that is known as the B.Pharm, is a 4-year degree course with a semester pattern. After the completion of D.Pharm, you can take a direct admission to the second year B.Pharm. It is the lateral entry in the India. That is direct second year D.Pharm. Now, second year B.Pharm, Bachelor of Pharmacy. After the completion of B.Pharm, you can directly join the third year of PharmD. This is the new course joined by the PCI, that is Doctorate in Pharmacy. This actually it is the 6-year course after the completion of 12th. But when you complete the B.Pharm, then you can gain directly entry into the third year of PharmD. Or the mostly superseded by the M.Pharm. After most of the candidate after doing the B.Pharm goes for the M.Pharm. Or after the M.Pharm, you can do your PhD level course with, but for the registered pharmacist, the minimum qualification is the D.Pharm. That is Diploma in Pharmacy is the minimum qualification for registration as the registered pharmacist in Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council. Then second option after completion of D.Pharm is the self-employment. When you complete your 2-year diploma course, then registered to the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council. It is the statutory body constituted by the government of Maharashtra under the provision of Pharmacy Act 1948. And the student eligible for registration is the complete the minimum 2-year diploma course in the PCI approved institute in the India. Then after completion of diploma, you can register in the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council and you can say as you are registered pharmacist. So after registered pharmacist, you can open your retailer shop. Retailer shop, you can see the where is the medical shop. It is the retailer shop. The medical shop or retailer shop, it is the profitable and interesting business. And one registered pharmacist with apron and education qualification can change the environment of the pharmacy as well as business model. So it is the necessary to wear the apron, not in just such a pandemic condition, but in the daily routine because it's your profession. So you wear the apron and work as a registered pharmacist in your own shop or at a different shop as a registered pharmacist. Then there is also the franchisee model. Franchisee models means there is 100 of pharmacy retail chain companies which you can take the franchisee and open the shop, such like Apollo Pharmacy, Sasta Medical, then Netmed, then Sanjeevani, Med Plus, Generic Art, then GenNext. There are so many pharmacy retail chain where you can open the medical shop. Then this is the photo where the pharmacist are wearing the apron and work as a registered pharmacist in the shop. The eligibility for open the medical shop is you have to brought the drug license from the FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration, which is a licensing authority and head office mostly situated at the every state level, every district level. and you require a 10 square meter of store, refrigerator, and investment. Then you can start your retail shop. Then second option in self-employment, that is the wholesaler. After the completion of diploma, you can go, if you have good amount of investment, you opt for the wholesale business in pharmacy. For wholesale business in pharmacy, minimum eligibility is the wholesale drug license. There is the same from the FDA. You can withdraw the drug license for wholesale business. Then the minimum area is the 15 square meter. At the retailer, there is the 10 square meter. For wholesaler, there is the 15 square meter. Then furniture and investment. This is the second option in self-retailer in the pharmacy, that is the retailer and wholesaler. Then third is the stockist. The word stockist or distributor refer to the entry to buy the stock from the company and then sell to the stock to the wholesaler. This is a chain. After the completion manufacturing of the product, the company sell toward the super stockist. Then afterwards, super stockist it distribute toward the stockist, then wholesaler, and then retailer. So you can work also super stockist. Then this is about the pharmacies, retail, wholesaler, and stockist. Then in manufacturing, diploma holder can also manufacture the drug of some schedules and also repacking drug, and can manufacture the cosmetic. The DNC Act 1940s act as the Parliament of India, which regulate the import, manufacturing, distribution of drug, and drug license is permitted to the component authority, that is FDA, to carry the business of drug and medicine for food, drug, and cosmetic to regulate this import. Diploma holder can manufacture the Schedule O drug. Schedule O drug, it is the standard for disinfectant fluid. So you can apply for the form number 25 under the DNC Act toward the FDA, and you can manufacture the disinfectant fluid after the completion of DPharm. In current pandemic condition, you say there is a lot of huge market for the disinfectant, soap wash, then sanitizer. So diploma holder can open the manufacturing unit of disinfectant fluid under the Schedule O by withdrawing the license from the FDA. This is the pro forma, how you can withdraw the form number 25 from the FDA. Then repacking. Diploma holder, that is DPharm, can open their repacking unit of most of the surgical. Then you can brought the in large quantity and then repacking it in the small quantity. This is also the good business. So you can, for the minimum qualification is the DPharm. You can open your repack unit after the completion of DPharm, where you can brought from the large quantity, then repack in the small quantity and supply to the various hospital, government hospital, ESIC hospital, like that. So diploma holder can open the repacking unit of surgical also. Then diploma holder can open the manufacturing unit of cosmetic under the form number 32, issuing by the manufacturing of cosmetic for sale and distribution. So diploma holder can manufacture the cosmetic. There is also the huge market for cosmetic. You know, there is a sunscreen lotion, then toothpaste, mouthwash, mouth gargle, nail paint. There is a lot of cosmetic. The minimum qualification to manufacture the cosmetic product is the diploma in pharmacy. Under the form number 32, you can apply to the FDA and start your manufacturing unit. This is the pro forma of form number 32 to apply for the FDA for manufacturing of cosmetic. So in manufacturing, there is a under Schedule O, then manufacturing of cosmetic and repacking of surgical materials. Then third option after completion of diploma is the employment. That is, if you have not sufficient amount of money, then you can work as a registered pharmacist or work as a registered pharmacist in any pharmacy, industry, or go for the industry, pharmacy, drugstore, government and private job sector. Opportunity to avoid important diploma in pharmacy certificate holder may work at college, that is pharmacy college, industry, pharma sales, drugstore, in government hospital, private hospital, a clinic, a community health center, private drugstore. They see in the such a pandemic condition, railway department recruit the pharmacist in their railway hospital by direct interview only. There is no any test, direct interview, then direct recruitment, and you can join the job. So you can work in the railway as a railway department, railway pharmacist, military pharmacist, then in the government hospital pharmacist, then at a district level DHO, in PSC also there is primary health center. You can work as a registered pharmacist. They're called as a hospital pharmacist. Or you can also work as a clinical pharmacy. The hospital which more than 500 bedside can manufacture the have their own manufacturing unit. So they can manufacture the intravenous fluid, they manufacture the topical product. So for that purpose, they require the quality control chemist or supervisor for the manufacturing process. So for that purpose, the minimum qualification is the diploma in pharmacy. So diploma in pharmacy can work in hospital as a manufacturing pharmacist, where the manufacturing is done in the hospital, or also as a hospital pharmacist. So first upon in the college. In the college, there is pharmacy college around the country, impart the knowledge of pharmacy and need a qualified pharmacist as a laboratory technician, laboratory assistant, having the diploma in pharmacy as preferred. You can work after the completion of diploma as a laboratory technician, laboratory assistant in the pharmacy college. In industry, diploma in pharmacy certificate holder are eligible the entry level job in the pharmaceutical company at various division like process control, manufacturing, and quality control. In some year ago, there is at a managerial level, there is mostly the pure science candidate, that is from the BSc or MSc. So when they are recruit the person, they choose the same, that is life science candidate, that is BSc candidate. But now the condition is changed. Our senior are take their position at managerial level, and when we go for the recruitment process, they choose the candidate from the pharmacy profession. The pharmacy profession is started from the diploma in pharmacy. So you have, after the completion of diploma, you have the more scope in the industry also at the entry level job, that is process control, manufacturing, quality control, like that. This is the photo where the working in industry, that is after completion of diploma as a operator. Then third option in the after as a employment, that is the shop. You can open your own shop, that is the own pharmacy. If you have not sufficient money, then you can go for the work as a registered pharmacist. So diploma holder can eligible to registered as pharmacist in Maharashtra and can work as a drugstore in government hospital, railway hospital, military hospital, private hospital, clinic, community health center, and private drugstore. Then in the field, all of you know that the medical representative, or you can say as a sales representative. The medical representative is also the field job, having the lots of money that employed by the pharmaceutical company. This is the person, that is sales person, which employed by the pharmaceutical company to persuade the doctor to prescribe their medicine to patient. And the minimum qualification for MR is also the diploma in pharmacy by the PCI approved institute. So you can work as a field, you can work as a medical representative in field. There is after the area manager, then you can zonal manager, a lot of scope in the field also, that is marketing purpose. Then in hospital, after completion of diploma, you are eligible to work as a drugstore, government, private hospital, and employee as a responsible for monitoring the supply of all medicine used for the hospital, pursuing, manufacturing, dispensing, and quality control of medication in the stock. So there is a lot of scope after the completion of diploma, that is a 2-year diploma course, having the eligibilities just past the 12th. After completion of 12th, you can go for the diploma in pharmacy, that is DPharm, 2-year course, diploma course, having the annual pattern. You can see the tree diagram where basically you have the 3 options: higher study, B Farm. After completion of B Farm, go for the M Farm. After completion of B Farm, go for the third year of PharmD, that is the doctorate in pharmacy. After completion of M Farm, go for the PhD. This is higher study. In self-employment, after the registration at the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council, you can open your own shop. Own shop may be retailer, wholesaler, super stockist, or stockist. This is about the business. And in manufacturing unit, you can withdraw the license from FDA, Food and Drug Administration, then open your manufacturing unit under Schedule O, that is disinfectant, then repacking unit, repacking of mostly the surgical, and then in the manufacturing of cosmetic also. Then this is the second option. The third option is the employment. In employment, you can work as a lab assistant or as a lab technician in the pharmacy college anywhere in the India. You can go in the manufacturing industry also as an entry level job as an operator. Then for the shop as a, if you have not sufficient money, so you can work as a registered pharmacist. But keep in mind that don't rent your registration. Don't rent your registration to the any shop owner. You must present with apron at complete working hour. So don't rent your registration to anyone. You can work as a registered pharmacist for the full time. What is the working hour? So you can work as a full time as a registered pharmacist. And the field job, that is MR job, marketing representative. In the hospital, you can work as a hospital pharmacist. You can work as a clinical pharmacist. In hospital, there is a government hospital, private hospital, then military hospital, railway hospital, then ESIC hospital. ESIS is Employee State Insurance Corporation. Employee State Insurance Corporation, separate hospital. So you can work as a hospital pharmacist in ESIC hospital also. Then you can also work as a store manager in hospital. Hospital have their separate pharmacy unit, so you can work there as a pharmacist as well as a store manager. In the large size hospital, more than 500 bedded, they are manufacturing their own unit. So you can work as their store manager also. So this is the general opportunity after completion of 2-year diploma course, that is D-Farm, after 12th. Higher study, self-employment, retailer, wholesaler, stockist, manufacturing unit under Schedule O, repacking, cosmetic, then employment in college, industry, then shop, field, hospital as hospital employment. Okay, this is all about the general opportunity after the completion of your diploma, 2-year diploma. Okay, thank you very much. Thakur sir.
Thank you, sir, for such an informative and great seminar. Now it's the time for vote of thanks.
No, any question, any participant have question, they can ask by unmuting their mic. Any participant have any query can ask their question by unmuting your mic.
If any participant is having any kind of query, please unmute your mic and ask the question directly. Question can also be asked through message.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I had a question that after degree, can we opt for MS in pharmacy?
What? Please repeat your question.
After degree, after B pharmacy, can we opt for MS in pharmacy?
Yes, definitely. You can do the MS in pharmacy, but not in India. For MS of pharmacy, you can go the abroad.
Yes, sir. And after that, do we have opportunities in India for any job opportunities after that in India?
most of the opportunity are common after the diploma of pharmacy. That is, you can go in the industry, you can open your own shop, you can work as a hospital pharmacist, you can open your manufacturing unit. But at the higher level, at the diploma level, it is at the entry level job. After the completion of B Pharm, you can, after completion of B Pharm, that is bachelor degree, you can go for the higher level. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, good morning.
Good
Is
morning.
there any entrance for MS?
Yes. Any?
Any entrance exam for MS?
Yes, definitely. Here is the entrance exam for MS in different country have different entrance exams, and different university also have different entrance exam. So you crack their particular entrance exam of particular university, then you can do the MS after the completion of B Pharm. Okay.
One more, sir. Is there any scope for in India
After
completing PharmD?
PharmD, actual
Any
after
scope
completion
in
of
India?
after completion of PharmD, lots of the pharmacy institute are recruit as a lecturer for the pharmacology mostly. It's human anatomy and physiology and pharmacology subject. Recruit as a assistant professor, or you can shift it towards the hospital as a clinical pharmacist. This is the most better preference job for the after completion of PharmD. That is the work as a clinical pharmacist in the hospital. There the hospitals of Hinduja hospitals, British Candy Hospital, they recruit the clinical pharmacists because they conduct their research project. So for this research project, they monitor the patient. So for monitoring patient, they require the clinical pharmacist. So for clinical pharmacy, they recruit the PharmD candidate. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Can I do D Pharm after? Can I do PharmD after completing my D Pharm?
No. After completion of D Pharm, there is no option to go for the PharmD. After completion of B Pharm, that is bachelor, you can get admission in the third year of PharmD. Or after 12th, there is a 6-year course of PharmD.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, any more?
Is anyone having any kind of query? It's the time. Please ask it.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
After D Pharmacy, when we are pursuing degree, on the other hand, can we run a medical store?
During the continue of B Pharm?
Yes.
No and never. I previously said that don't rent your registration. If you complete your D Pharm, then go for the B Pharm, then continue your education, because B Pharm is the full-time course. So during the continuation of B Pharm, you cannot open your medical shop. After completion of B Pharm, you can open it. So first complete your education and then go for the opening the medical shop or any business. Okay.
Saklin and Kaustubh, you both were raising the hand. It's the time. Please ask the question. Mr. Saklin Jaliawala, Kaustubh Gaikwad. It's the time. You both can ask the question. Is anyone interested in asking any question? It's the time.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
After completing D Pharmacy, is it necessary to complete the 3-month practice for getting in degree?
Yes. It's a requirement. It's the requirement by the PCI to complete the 3-month working in medical shop or in hospital. Any.
So without that, we can't get into degree.
Yes. No, diploma certificate. You can't get your diploma certificate after the completion of 3-month internship.
Okay.
Any in the hospital also or in the medical shop also. But it must to complete the 3-month internship.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yes. Any more?
Sir, how can we go in the research field?
After DPharm?
No, after a master's.
After masters or after BPharm also you can join the R&D department of a different company of a pharmacy field or cosmetic field.
Does it require any experience?
No, actual freshers also can recruit as a entry level job in the company also. Afterward you can get the experience of 2-3 years, then you can shift it for the R&D department. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions?
Any more questions, please? I'd like to inform the participants that this is the opportunity to clear your doubts regarding career. So, please, do we have any more questions?
Hello,
Yes?
sir.
Yeah.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, is there government job opportunities after DPharm?
Yes, definitely. I previously told that there is a job for the registered pharmacist in the government hospital, railway hospital, military hospital. There is the all are the government job, and ESIS hospital. There is the all are the government job, and the minimum eligibility is the diploma in pharmacy.
So for that, there is entrance exam.
No, there is not an entrance exam. They take a test and interview.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone having any more questions?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please place it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
If any have
take the
any,
first question.
Sir,
Saklin, you have any query?
yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Saklin,
Yes, sir.
हाँ पूछिए.
Sir, can we require any kind of experience for getting the license for wholesale shop or retail shop after DPharm?
No. There is only the diploma certificate, not any experience required to open the medical shop.
Sir,
For
license.
that purpose, you need a clear apprenticeship.
Sir, can we repeat,
3-month
sir?
apprenticeship. After
voice
the
is not
completion of you cannot listen me properly.
Sir, network issue is there.
After completion of DPharm, you have to do the 3-month apprenticeship in any medical shop or in hospital. Then after you get the diploma certificate. Then there is no necessary of any experience. You can directly apply for the medical shop in FDA and issue the license, and you can open your medical shop.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Kaustuv, you are raising the hand. If you are having any kind of query, this is the time. You can place it. This goes for all the participants in this webinar. If you will be having any kind of query, please place it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have heard we can also do a business and start a company. So how is that possible after D pharmacy?
As I am previously told that you have the 3 options to open the manufacturing unit after completion of DPharm. First option, you can open your disinfectant unit under the Schedule O. It is a standard for disinfectant, so you can manufacturing the disinfectant unit. Then second, repacking unit. repacking of surgical, repacking of medical devices or surgical devices. So you can open your repacking unit or go for the manufacturing of cosmetic. You can also open the manufacturing of cosmetic product only at the after completion of DPharm.
Mhm.
Okay.
Sir, what is the you have any idea of what kind, how much investment it would be need for this?
It's depend upon the which business you have to start
Mhm.
and where you want to start. There's lots of condition.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Sir,
हाँ पूछिए.
sir, is there a kind of campus interview after D Farm in college?
Campus from industry. Yes, there.
Or any
Yeah,
area, any company after D Farm, sir?
after DPharm also there is a requirement and there is a campus also to recruit the entry level job in the company job. That is for the machine operator or as said as a clinical work as a clinical pharmacist. There is a hello.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Is anyone having any query? Please place it.
So do we get direct admission in the B pharmacy second year after diploma?
For diploma purpose, the requirement for the academic purpose is to complete the B Farm. To teach
Sorry,
on the
sir.
B Farm.
Sir, you
Huh?
didn't get my question.
Huh?
Can we get direct admission in B pharmacy second year after diploma?
B Farm second year.
Yes, sir.
Huh. After the completion of D Farm, you can go the second year degree. That is B Farm. There is a admission process by the DT. After completion of diploma, you can go the direct second year of B Farm. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Is anyone is having any other query? Please place it regarding government jobs, regarding competitive exams. This is the time.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yashwadi, please insist everyone to tell their names before asking questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you.
So participants are requested to please mention their name before asking the question. If anyone is having any kind of query, please place it. It's the time.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Hello.
Please.
Huh?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Neha.
Ask your
Yes.
question.
Sir, can we get job in Navy after completion of D Pharmacy?
In
Navy, Indian Navy. As a pharmacist, so.
as a pharmacist, you can you can get the job. The minimum qualification required for the registered pharmacist is the diploma in pharmacy. So you can get the job after the completion of D Farm.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions regarding government jobs, regarding higher education? This is the time. Is anyone interested in knowing what will be the procedure after registration for setting a retail shop? If you will be having any kind of query, this is the time. You can ask it. Okay. Here I assume that no one is having any kind of query. We are clear with the webinar. So it's the time for vote of thanks. Thank you, Pankaj sir, for clearing the queries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I am also thankful to our honorable chairman sirs, Sri Pravinji Pote, our motivational principal, Dr. Mukunji Tawar, all my colleagues, and not least all the participants who participate in this webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Respected principal, sir, my colleagues, and all the participants, I deem it a great pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. I extend my sincere thanks to Honorable Chairman, respected Pravin Pote Patil, sir, for his vision, kindness, and support. I express my sincere thanks to respected Dr. Mukund Tawar, sir, Principal PR Pote College of Pharmacy, for unstinted support, motivation, and guidance. My heartfelt thanks to the faculty members and colleagues of PR Pote College of Pharmacy. Last but not the least, I express my sincere thanks to all the participants of the webinar for giving your valuable time. I thank you all for their attention. With this short note, I have to conclude the webinar. Thank you.